Hi, my name is Kumar Goswami. I'm the VP of Products in the Small and Mid-Sized Business Solutions Group at Citrix. Today, I'd like to introduce the vdi-in-a-box product and show you how it's fundamentally different from Enterprise VDI and ideally suited for those looking for a simple and yet complete solution for small and mid-sized businesses. VDI, or Virtual Desktop Infrastructure, was designed to address the high costs of managing and securing traditional PCs. And VDI does this by virtualizing the PC and putting the PCs in virtual containers and running them centrally on servers. VDI provides greater user mobility, anytime, anywhere access, and efficient user management. And this is why enterprises are adopting virtual desktops. And SMBs want these same benefits, but without the cost and complexity of enterprise solutions. Let me show you what I mean. Let's walk through a picture of a typical enterprise VDI deployment. So over here, first, you have compute servers. This is where the virtual PCs run. Now over on the left-hand side, there's a bevy of management servers. Some actually provision the compute servers, and others connect users to the virtual PCs that are running on the compute servers. All the system data and images are kept in shared storage. And they're all interconnected through a high-speed interconnect to ensure reasonable performance. So what I've shown you so far is sufficient to provide virtual desktops. But because you're consolidating all of these PCs onto a single infrastructure, high availability is a must. So at a minimum, you'll need 2 of each management server, double the interconnect paths, and a highly available storage such as a SAN. This architecture is powerful and flexible, but there are also lots of moving parts and expensive components that add up quickly, and they require experts to deploy. This is why it's ideally suited for the large enterprise. So what do you do if you want the benefits of VDI, but are resource and budget constrained? Is there another approach? Yes, and it's called vdi-in-a-box. With vdi-in-a-box, we started with a clean slate, and we did 2 things. First, we developed an architecture that only requires off-the-shelf servers. There's no need for shared storage, no more high-speed interconnects, no management servers, no clustering software. We've already saved you a ton on infrastructure costs. That's number 1. Number 2, we took all that functionality, connection brokering, provisioning, generating pristine desktops on the fly, and put all that into an all-in-one virtual appliance. So now if you want to create a vdi-in-a-box virtual desktop server, you bring in an off-the-shelf server with direct attached storage and install a hypervisor. And then you simply load up vdi-in-a-box's virtual appliance, and voila, you have everything you need to generate virtual desktops. If you want high availability, you bring in a second server, point it at the first one, answer 2 questions, and you now have a highly available grid. Just like that, in minutes. There's nothing to design, build out, and test. Even high availability is built right in and comes out of the box. It's a scale-out architecture, so you can add a 3rd server, a 4th server, a 5th server, and so on demand, on the fly. So you can actually have a production system with multiple servers up and running in hours. And the beauty of it is you don't manage each and every one of these servers individually. vdi-in-a-box's management console provides you one logical view and makes it seem as though the grid of servers is just one server. So it's very, very easy to administer. And everything is done for you under the hood. So as you can see, with vdi-in-a-box, we've shrunk the infrastructure and replaced it with a bunch of inexpensive off-the-shelf servers with direct attached storage and nothing else. This alone reduces cost by 60%. Since everything is built in and comes out of the box, you don't need a team of experts. Just some Windows administrative expertise is sufficient. And we use a familiar lingua franca consisting of desktops and users as opposed to virtual servers, virtual machines, resource pools, and other complex constructs. So the long and short of it is this. vdi-in-a-box enables SMBs to leverage the same benefits of enterprise, but in a simple, affordable, yet robust package. It provides dynamic provisioning, built-in high availability, rich user experience with latest Citrix HTX protocol, allowing you to access the virtual desktops from over 1 billion devices, including iPads, iPhones, Androids. And it provides the ability to grow your VDI deployment on demand. And at the total acquisition cost, including the servers, the hypervisor, the Microsoft license, and our software, at a total acquisition cost that's less than $500 per virtual desktops. In other words, it costs less than PCs. What's not to like? So, if you have an hour, please go to citrix.com, select Products, and choose vdi-in-a-box. You can download a free trial version of our virtual appliance. And I'm sure you have an off-the-shelf server somewhere. So download our appliance, install it, give it a go. Thanks for your time.